Hi everyone, this is practice summative of chapter 4, paper 1, question number 1. So in this question, they want us to state the values of R if 7CR equals to 1. So what are the possible values of R? We know that NC0 equals to 1. We also know that NCN equals to 1, right? This one is basic concept. Therefore, R can be 0 or can be 7. That's it. Part B, express S in terms of T and U if SCT equals to SCU. We know that NCR equals to NCN minus R. So these two add together must be equals to N. So this is the basic concept of combination. Therefore, T plus U equals to S. And since we need to make S the subject, so let's write S equals to T plus U. That's all. Okay,